Hey YouTubers, and welcome back to Tony the Technician channel. And today we're going to be going back into the Amazon tool deals for the week, and I really hope you guys enjoy. These are going to be either tools that are on sale, tools that even at their full price I believe to be good deals, or tools that I think are interesting and may not have used or heard of, but think are interesting and would like your guys' opinion on, so if you guys have used them. First up is going to be a Tekton Tools product. This is going to be their angle head wrenches. This is going to be specifically their 12-piece set, part number Whiskey Alpha Echo 91201. The original price on it is $131. That is what it is on the Tekton website as well. It is on sale on Amazon right now for $121.22, so a savings of almost $10. So good savings there, but something that you need to keep in mind, just like I try to state in a lot of my tool shopping videos, is you always want to check other websites, check the manufacturer's website, and just make sure you're getting the best deal, because even tools on sale on Amazon aren't always the best deals. So just do your shopping around to make sure that you're getting the best deals. I actually have a couple of these now, and I've wanted to get a set for quite a while, but I'm slowly picking them up in the sizes specifically to what I want, because I know I'm not going to use angle head wrenches for me here at home. I don't use all of these sizes, so I'm specifically just picking up the ones I know I'll use. But I still think it's a fantastic set, made in the USA, especially for $121. But keep in mind that if you buy it at the Tekton website for that $131, you get 10% in rewards, so you won't get it off of this set, but you'll get $13 basically in rewards to use the next time you purchase from the Tekton website. So you need to decide whether you want to get the $13 on the Tekton website to purchase things in the future, or maybe you already have rewards money that you can put towards this and get it for even cheaper, or if you would like almost $10 off just right off the bat and pick it up from Amazon. But it is a nice set. This ranges from 8 to 19, no skips. Made in the USA, like I stated. I really enjoy these wrenches. They're at 30 and 60 degree angle, where a lot of the cheaper ones are 15 and 60 degree angles. So I do like the 30 and 60. It just gives you more versatility and everything. But here's kind of a close up of some of them. You get the organizer. I think you can get them. You can get them without. You can get them in different sizes as well. They have them in SAE, metric, and many different sizes. So keep that in mind. But this specific set is the 12-piece for $121. It has 4.5 stars at 150 ratings. So I think that's a good deal, and definitely a tool that I've really enjoyed. Next up is a SK Ratchet. They released these a couple, maybe 2, maybe 3 years ago. Their new 90-tooth teardrop ratchet. It's a big upgrade from what they used to be. I really like this design. I've wanted to pick this up ever since they came out with the new ones, but I have so many ratchets I just haven't got around to really justifying buying another one. But this is definitely one that I would consider, made in the USA. This has 4.5 stars at 32 ratings, so not a whole lot, but this one is on sale from $92.50 down to $79, so a savings of $13.50 basically. But I've heard a lot of great things about these 90-tooth ratchets, and they have different sizes and everything available as well. But this is just one that I saw on sale that I figured I'd mention to you guys, because this is definitely one that I would consider if I ever do decide to pick up any more ratchets. But that's just a quick one. The part number Sierra Kilo Tango 80200. This is the 3/8 drive 90-tooth ratchet. If you guys have used this, please let me know your guys' thoughts down in the comments. Next up is a very simple product, but something that can be very handy, especially in more modern day vehicles. Even in some older vehicles, more common today though, they put a lot of the drain plugs in ridiculous places. So a lot of the times it's over the subframe, or over part of the frame, or over the exhaust, or over some component, to where if you pull that drain plug, it will literally pour, whether it be coolant or oil or anything, right on top of this subframe or exhaust. It just drains into the stupidest locations. So even though this is a very simple product, I just selected one that has good reviews. They have many others. I have a couple of them actually. I can't remember the brand I went with, but really it's just a piece of flexible rubber that holds its shape, so you can kind of flex it from that drain plug to your drain bucket, or anything like that. so it can be very handy in keeping you from having to clean up a huge mess all over the vehicle itself. You can just clean this, I guess if you want to call it a flexible funnel. It's really just a flexible piece of rubber, but it can be very handy, especially in today's vehicles. I just figured it was definitely something that is handy, that I think a lot of people could get good use out of, and they range anywhere from like $13 to $30. This one falls right in the middle. Some of them, towards the cheaper end, I looked at reviews saying, they cracked or they split or anything like that. So I tried to find one that had a decent amount of good reviews. This one has 4.5 stars at 360 ratings and falls right in that mid-range price range at $20. So figured it's at least worth mentioning. I've had very good experiences with mine, even though it's a very simple product. It's very handy. Next up is a Gearwrench product, and it is a product that I've been using a lot lately, especially on the front end suspension rebuild. I've done all the steering components, inner tie rods, outer tie rods, center link, idler arm, A-arms, coilovers, caster camber plates. Obviously that didn't require this tool, but the steering components and the A-arms and everything did. And this is priced very well for what you get. There's a lot of other sets where you get individual pickle forks that may just be one specific style where you use a sledgehammer on it. This one comes with dual attachments, so you can hook it up to an air hammer or you can use your hammer with it. And then it also has indexing heads, and you get a couple different sizes, and they have worked very well for me. So here you get the one with the red on it is used for your standard hammer, and it's a grit style rubberized handle, a little bit more comfortable and shock absorbing than just grabbing a bare piece of metal. So I do like that. And then these indexing heads are really nice, especially for working in tight areas, in the wheel wells and stuff like that. That can be very handy. Or if you're working close to the ground, very handy for that as well. And then down below you can see your air hammer attachment as well. So definitely a nice set. They have other sets from other brands that are similar, that are a little bit more expensive, some cheaper, but I've used this one quite a bit over the last 5 years and have had very good experiences with it, especially with the indexing heads and everything. And I figured it was worth a mention, even though it's not on sale. I think at the $51 price range, it's a good deal. It's 4.5 stars at 45 ratings. So if you guys have used this, or maybe a brand that you guys decided to go with, let me know your guys' thoughts on it. But I thought this was a good deal. And then last up is a Sunex product. This is going to be part number 9729. It's their master bit set. This is a 208-piece set for $45 right now. Originally $70, so a savings of $24.37. And you get a wide variety of different bits here. You get a nice little quick release bit attachment right there at the bottom right, if you can see that. I'll show it right there. So a nice little quick release here for your bits, and you get a wide variety. You get some nut driver bits as well, and some mid-length bits. You get some flatheads, some Allens, Phillips, Torx, a good variety, and then you have your cheaper, more standard bit attachment up here at the top left. And you get both metric and SAE in the nut drivers, and a nice little case for them also. If they're all S2 steel as well, so if you're looking for a good variety of bits and for a decent price, this is a pretty complete kit. It's not going to go up into those larger sizes like what you would get with a bit socket set, but it's still a good variety of your standard bits, 208 of them for $45. 5 stars at 580 ratings. I'm not sure if they have a list of everything included in here or not. 15 different styles of bits, the blow molded case, S2 steel, and I believe that's really the only information they're going to get or give us. You can only see so much of the information here. It's not large enough to see exactly what sizes you're getting, and some of these are blurry over here. But definitely looks to be a good variety, and Sunex I've had very good experiences with, so I would not be afraid to buy this set, especially for that $45 price range. But that's it as far as this week's Amazon tool deals. Please let me know your guys' thoughts. If there are any brands that you would like me to keep my eye out for, or any type of specific tool you would like me to keep my eye out for on sales or deals or anything like that, please feel free to drop a comment down below. I will also have these and many other tools that I suggest linked down in the description, and it will be under the tools or tools continued link for you guys. So I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys did, please make sure to hit that thumbs up. Leave a comment down below of your guys' thoughts on this list and some of these tools if you've used them. And as always, if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. See you guys next time.